Hello, everyone. Welcome to Speak Up English. I am Anna, and I am so happy you are here today. Now, I want you to imagine this. You are at a restaurant. The waiter comes to your table and says, "Are you ready to order?" You look at the menu, you want to order, but the words just don't come. You feel nervous. The waiter is waiting. Oh no! Don't worry. That happens to everyone. But after this video, you will know exactly what to say from the moment you sit down to the moment you pay the bill. Easy. And hey, if you are new here, welcome to the family. Hit that subscribe button and the little bell right now. Every week, a brand new English lesson, totally free. Okay? Great. Now let's go. Okay. First, let's watch Tom at the restaurant. Don't worry about understanding everything yet. Just watch and enjoy. We will learn every phrase together right after this. Ready? Here we go. Good evening. Here is your menu. Can I get you something to drink first?
Yes, please. I'd like a glass of water.
Of course. Are you ready to order, or do you need a few more minutes?
I need a few more minutes, please.
No problem. Take your time. Are you ready now?
Yes, I'd like the grilled chicken, please.
Excellent choice. With rice or with fries?
With rice, please.
Perfect. Is there anything else?
No, thank you. That's all.
A few minutes later. Here is your food. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Could I also get the bill when you're ready?
Of course. I'll bring it right away. Great! Did you enjoy that? Now, let's learn every important phrase from that conversation. 6 phrases. That's it. Just 6. And you can order anything in any restaurant. Let's do this. Phrase number 1. I'd like, please. This is the most polite way to order. Don't say, I want. It can sound rude. Always say, I'd like. Pattern. I'd like plus food or drink plus please. Examples. I'd like the pasta, please. I'd like a coffee, please. I'd like the soup, please. Now you try. Say it with me. I'd like the pasta, please. I'd like a coffee, please. I'd like the soup, please. Amazing! You sound like a pro already. Phrase number 2. I need a few more minutes, please. When should this phrase be used? When you are not ready to order yet. You need more time to look at the menu. Just say, I need a few more minutes, please. The waiter will always say, of course. They are happy to wait. This phrase saves you every time. Say it with me. I need a few more minutes, please. Perfect. Remember that one. Phrase number 3. With, please. Without, please. When should this phrase be used? When you want to customize your order, add or remove something. Examples: with rice, please. Without onions, please. Without sauce, please. Say it with me. With rice, please. Without onions, please. Without sauce, please. Excellent! Phrase number 4. That's all. Thank you. When should this phrase be used? When the waiter asks, "Is there anything else?" This is how you finish your order cleanly. You can also say, "I think that's everything." Same meaning, a little more casual. Both are perfect. Say it with me. That's all. Thank you. Wonderful. Phrase number 5. Could I get the bill, please? When should this phrase be used? At the end of your meal, when you want to pay. Just a quick note. In British English, we say the bill, while in American English, it's the check. But don't worry, both are perfectly correct and widely understood everywhere you go. Say it with me. Could I get the bill, please? Could I get the check, please? Great job! Phrase number 6. Excuse me. When should this phrase be used? When you want to get the waiter's attention. Don't say, "Hey," or "snap your fingers." Very rude. Just say, "Excuse me," with a small, friendly wave. The waiter will come right away. Fantastic work! Now, before we practice, let's quickly learn 5 important restaurant words. Just 5, but you will hear them every single time you eat out in English. Let's go. Number 1, menu. The list of all food and drinks. Can I see the menu, please? Number 2, order. To choose and ask for your food. Number 3, bill or check. The paper that shows how much you pay. Number 4, tip. Extra money you give the waiter for great service. Number 5, to go. You want to take food with you. I'd like this to go, please. 5 words, super useful. Let's keep going. Okay, this is my favorite part. Now it is your turn. You are Tom. I am the waiter. I will say something. You respond out loud. The words are on the screen to help you. Don't be shy. Just say it. Ready? Let's go. Good evening. Are you ready to order? Would you like rice or fries with that? Is there anything else? Enjoy your meal. Amazing. You just spoke English at a restaurant by yourself. I am so proud of you. Now we are going to do something really fun. It's called shadowing. You will hear each line, then repeat it out loud. Both the waiter and Tom. This is how you train your mouth to speak English naturally. Ready? Follow every line. Good evening. Here is your menu. Can I get you something to drink first?
Yes, please. I'd like a glass of water.
Of course. Are you ready to order, or do you need a few more minutes?
I need a few more minutes, please.
Are you ready now?
Yes, I'd like the grilled chicken, please.
Excellent choice. With rice or with fries?
With rice, please.
Perfect. Is there anything else?
No, thank you. That's all.
Here is your food. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Could I also bit the bill when you're ready?
Of course. I'll bring it right away. Excellent shadowing! You just practiced both sides of a real English conversation. Every time you repeat like that, your pronunciation gets better and better. Do it again at home. Pause the video, say every line out loud, and don't stop until it feels easy. Quiz time! I love this part. 3 quick questions. Let's see how much you remember. I know you can do it. Question 1. The waiter asks, "Are you ready to order?" But you are not ready yet. What do you say? I need a few more minutes, please. Yes, perfect. Question 2. You want the chicken, but absolutely no onions. What do you say? I'd like the chicken without onions, please. Excellent! That is exactly right. Question 3. You finished your meal. Now you want to pay. What do you say? Could I get the bill, please? Amazing! You are a restaurant English superstar. Wow! You did it! I am so proud of you. You just learned how to order food in English from start to finish like a true English speaker. Now here is your homework, and I promise it is fun. Write your order in the comments below. Pretend you are at a restaurant right now. What do you want to eat? Use this pattern. I'd like, please, with please. That's all. Thank you. I read every single comment, and I will reply to yours. So don't be shy. Write it down. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a big like. It helps other English learners just like you find this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon right now. New lessons every week, completely free. I promise you will not regret it. Next lesson, shopping in English. How to ask for your size, how to pay, and what to say if something doesn't fit. You don't want to miss it. Thank you so much for learning with me today. Keep practicing, stay positive, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.